Hey artists, today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple number 9 into a robot like this, and then we're going to add it to our robot world where we've been adding a robot each and every day, making it really fun, really amazing. So grab your pencil and paper and let's draw. We're going to turn a number 9 into this fun robot character. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn this part into an eye, and we're going to just copy that shape. I'm going to color this eye in green, or the eyes I should say. I think you should wait to color your character at the very end, but you decide what you want to do. It'll be faster if you drew it and then colored it. And then we're going to add this character's pupils right here. Now we're going to draw a line that goes down like this and over, and we can add a little joint where the character's mouth moves, and then bring it right there. So that's like the little articulation point where the character's mouth moves up and down. Let's add the body. We're just going to draw a line here and over like so. I think I'm going to go with a nice purplish pink color. That'd be a good theme for this character. It's so simple. We have the face and the body for our character done. Let's give this robot some antenna. So we're just going to draw 2 lines here with circles on the ends, and I'm going to make those antenna a real dark purple in color. And then for the character's legs and feet, this character is going to have 3 legs. So we're going to draw 3 feet, and they're just little half circles like this. And I'll make those gray. And then the feet, we're just going to draw little lines going up to the body, just like so. I'll just color those in a nice light gray. And probably one of the easiest robots you've ever drawn. Check that out. Hey, it's time to open a gift or a present and see what amazing thing our robot is going to get. Okay, let's open up this present and see what we're going to add to our robot. And it's like a small wagon or cart. Okay, let's add that to our bot right now. So we're going to add this cart to our robot. Now it's time to add this robot and its little cart to our robot world. We're back in our robot world, a planet full of robots, and I added our latest droid and with its little wagon, and I think it's pretty cool. So I turned it kind of into like a little train robot, like almost like a millipede, and it can carry goods or a little passenger. Like in this one's actually carrying a little rat bot, and this one down here has some different passengers. Yeah, so pretty fun. So we've got a lot of things going on here already. In just a few days, we took an empty world and we started filling it with one robot at a time. But we're not finished. We're going to fill this entire planet with lots and lots of robot characters. So join me tomorrow because we're going to draw another robot character and add it to our robot world. Hey, remember, every drawing tells a story.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. It's a members-only subscription art site. Learn drawing, cartooning, animation, and digital art. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun. Watch Harptooniacs on your tablet or phone, or cast the lessons onto your TV for group drawing. Print activity pages, blank character sheets, and blank comic book pages. And you get to spin your very own interactive picker wheel to change your characters and drawings. And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.
Grab your pencil and your paper.